Plattsburgh has installed the first of several new electric car charging stations planned for the city.
Ready? Congratulations.
The first charging station is right in front of City Hall.
I look forward to walking out the front doors of City Hall each day and seeing electric cars parked in front of City Hall. This not only helps us be more sustainable and care for our environment, but will also give individuals traveling through Plattsburgh a place to stop and charge. While charging, I look forward to them exploring our downtown.
Mayor Colin Read says it's one of many proposals in the city's new energy conservation plan to help Plattsburgh reduce its carbon footprint and qualify to become a New York State climate-smart community.
The city of Plattsburgh is only the 7th city in the nation to be 100% electricity self-sustainable, and because almost everybody in our city also heats with electricity, we're probably the only city in the nation approaching 98-99% household energy self-sustainable. So if we could really get everybody to also convert to more electric vehicles, we could start approaching 100% sustainable for all energy usage, and that'd be really something.
The city plans to install about a dozen electric car charging stations, mostly in the new parking lots planned for Margaret Street, once the old Glens Falls National Bank building is demolished, and also the parking spaces being added to the lot at the County Government Center.